day number 2. Let's get this started. Just arrived at the competition hall for our first training. Day after the flight. Here's a little sneak peek of the gym. Just finished our training, went really well. Some of the apparatus, a bit weird. I've never been on the brand. It's called Taishan, and some of it's a bit different, a bit strange. So it's going to take a little bit of getting used to, but we'll get there in the end. That's day 1 of training done. Got a little tour. We've got a little tour of the Aspire complex later. Just got a little team walk. Bang it. Day 2, we're off for a bit of training this morning, just a light stretch, a bit of rehab and conditioning. No need for gym bags. Brought a little thing. It's quite heavy though. Again, seem to be making a habit of heavy bags. We're going on a different walking route this time. Rather than going round, we're going to try and walk straight across. We're probably going to get told off because we're going across the football pitches and stuff, but it's worth the risk to make it shorter. That was too long last night, especially in this heat. So we thought we was training hall 1. We've done a 20-minute walk to the gym. And turns out we're training hall 3, which is in a completely different location. We're running late anyway. We're waiting for the minibus. We're not going to make it for this training session, so I've resorted to just rolling on the floor. This is my first training session. Got routines later. I got another 20-minute walk. Woo! Got squish it.
It's so hot. Oh Jesus! I don't like it.
So we made it to training hall 3. Let's take a look around. We're actually sharing the gym with the Chinese, Hong Kong, Hungary, what else we got? Italy, Portugal, obviously GB, rest of GB, and Argentina at the moment. We'll be back later and hopefully I'll give you a little sneak peek of some routines.
You know where we're going?
Al Aziza Boutique Hotel.
Which one?
Al Azizu Boutique.
Azizu?
Yeah.
Azizu Hotel?
Yes, please. We weren't walking again. Taxi is too hot. finished our first proper session. All of us got a lot more done. We attempted routines today, so we started flooring the competition, so we replicated that today as well. I went through most of my stuff. I was really stressing on vault. It's just so different. I'm pretty sure.
I saw him cry.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure I pooped in my pants, like, no joke. The vault was so different to what I'm used to. It's a different material. It's more like a carpet material, so it wasn't as grippy when I went to block. So I'd usually do like a rundown, a handspring, and then just do double pike shoot. I'd done about 5 handsprings today because I just couldn't bring myself to it. I did one in the end. I feel much better for it. PE bar were good. Had a little bit of difficulty with the high bar. The grip quite slippy. It was warm. Humid countries, the chalk tends to like clog up and make it quite just difficult to grip onto. Yeah, then I went back and did a second pom routine. So now I'm happy. It's progression. It's only the second day in, so if we can keep the momentum going, should do great things. We're back at the hotel now. All in all, today was a good day. We're just chilling in the team room at the moment. Anyway, yeah, I'll catch up with you guys again tomorrow. See you later.